This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. On the gold market, we can see that price is flirting with the weekly pivot point, indicates some indecision moment, and that investors probably trying to reassess the former FOMC meeting results and trying to understand what they could expect in the nearest future from the gold market. Well, in fact, it's not much to comment on the daily, particularly on the daily time frame, but since currently all dollar related assets mostly is driven by US dollar itself, but not by the assets themselves. That's why the price action, price behavior of dollar related assets currently is very similar. Especially we'll take a look in the consideration euro currency that we also watching closely, and gold market. The patterns that have been formed on the gold market and the euro currency are almost the same. Well, in fact, here just the one important moment: whether market will take out these highs and return right back in this consolidation. If this will happen, then it could lead to the double bottom pattern and some further appreciation on the daily time frame. If market will fail somewhere around this area, the minimum target will be the taking out of this loss, as we have discussed yesterday. Now let's see how our market behaves with the patterns that we have specified yesterday. On the 4-hour time frame, the first pattern that we have discussed was this butterfly buy, and in fact, yesterday we said that market probably will show the retracement right to the 618 resistance of that swing on the hourly time frame. We have discussed it. So that also could be some small head and shoulders pattern, but only by the shape, not by the price action, but not by the market mechanics, because head and shoulders pattern usually appears on tops after the significant move up. But here we see downward action, some kind of retracement. I call it as the head and shoulders just because the shapes and the ratios are typical for this pattern, because head stands at 127. If market will stop here, the retracement, this shoulder also will be 127 to the head, so the shape will remind the head and shoulders pattern. In general, probably some sort of the consolidation. Anyway, if market will stop in this area and will stand inside of this major swing of the butterfly, this could lead to the downward action to the 1315 area at minimum, and that will take out the loss on the daily time frame. For that purpose, this swing high is extremely important for short-term analysis, because if market will accelerate further out to the upside, take out of this high, it will probably could lead to the moving right to the previous highs on the daily time frame, right in the previously broken consolidation. Recall what we have discussed within the previous month about the potential compounding retracement on the daily time frame due to significant oversold condition on the monthly and weekly time frame. That really could become the case. Even if market will complete this butterfly, that also will not absolutely erase this possibility, because if this will happen, market could show, for instance, just wash and rinse of these lows, okay, by this butterfly, and return right back. That will be the typical double bottom pattern. To speak about the establishment of the long-term bear trend, we need that market will hold below these lows and continue move down. But currently, in the short-term perspective, I offer you to focus only on this short-term move, potential short-term move to the downside. On the hourly time frame, what we see, the picture almost the same as on the weekly time frame. Sorry for a bit overloading with the details, but all of them are significant for us now. That is this neckline of the so-called head and shoulders. That is the hour swing high. That's very significant. Take a look how market develops here. We see some sort of the bearish wedge pattern is developing, some kind of the exhausting pattern. Market is forming some sort also of the bullish dynamic pressure since creating the high lows. Okay, this low a bit lower than this one, but in general we see this upward action, but trend holds bearish. That makes still possible some further action to the upside, and that could be in the way of the butterfly. Almost the same as on the euro currency. You can see the targets of this butterfly stands lower than the swing high, and this probably will hold the 4-hour time frame intact, butterfly intact. That will allow this butterfly to work. That's why this current development is very extremely important for us now. First of all, what will happen in this area? So if market will complete butterfly, that will be a reversal pattern and start move down to the downside. Then we could be focused on the move to the 13-15 area. That's probably will be the case. If market will show the breakout and taken out of these highs, in this case we should be ready for the significant upward appreciation. So if you would like to trade on the daily time frame, then it's probably better to wait for some clear action. Particularly speaking, some confirmation on the market, what direction the market will choose, and after that take the position. At least it's better to wait what will happen in this area during today's trading session. If you trade on the intraday charts and scalp trading, well, you could focus on current development, that is the butterfly. So I do not know will you take the long position right to this area, but if market will complete the butterfly, you could try to take the short, because stop will be relatively tight, but price risk reward ratio will be just tremendous. So that's in fact all that we could do currently on the gold market, because situation is a bit not quite simple. Well, and from the daily perspective, from the medium term development, we probably should wait a bit. Just a moment, I will check the trend here. That's the same picture as you can see with the trend on the daily time frame as on the euro currency. Here could be the bearish stock grabber. If it will appear, then probably market will take out of this loss, and that probably will happen by this butterfly, and market probably will fail here. Despite, will it complete the butterfly or not, or just will show the breakout of the wedge to the downside, will start move with this head and shoulders pattern? That will be the secondary question. The major question is whether market will take out of this high or not. So that's why in fact I've offered you just to wait a bit. On Monday or even during the weekend we will get the clear picture. Will we get the stop grabber? What we will see around this area, and that will probably let us understand clearly what to expect in the beginning of the next week.